What's up, BitConnect?
What's up, BitConnect? Still love that guy. Oh, another great day in cryptocurrency. Hello, Crypto Fitsky. If you haven't heard about or joined BitConnect yet, watch all my videos. The link to register is below. Join my team, get my calculator, get all my resources. Let's blow this thing up together. So let's go look what's going on in Bitcoin. It's down to 16,000. It is consolidating. And Bitcoin Cash is up. Bitcoin Cash went up huge today because it got listed on CoinBase. But there's some issues going on with that. CoinBase is being investigated for insider trading. If you were watching CoinBase when they sneakily announced that they're going to start trading Bitcoin Cash, they were jacking up the price to inflate the value. Somebody was. Who knows what's going on? But yeah, it was, the real value was less than 3,000. Somebody had put in a bunch of buys at 8,500 to make it look like that's where it was trading before it opened up. It ended up trading up to 4,000 or 5,000 before it settled back down. It was crazy. This does need to be regulated. The exchanges that operate in the U.S. that use U.S. dollars absolutely need to be regulated so they don't play these shenanigans. The CEO needs to be fired and get this thing right. So what else is going on? Again, if you're not heavily in Bitcoin, this is a great time to start dollar cost averaging. That's why I like Gemini much better than Coinbase, because it puts a limit of how much you can transfer every day. And even if that's more than you would normally do, pick an amount, whether it's $100 a week, $100 a day. Pick a number and move that into it and buy it at whatever price it's at. And if it gets cheaper, guess what? You get to buy more of it. And if it goes up, you're happy because it goes up. Or if you have a larger amount to invest, stagger that. If you're going to put 10,000 into Bitcoin, put $1,000 a week. Or put a note, because Bitcoin will pull back. It will correct. Say every time it's down $1,000 from its high, I'm going to buy some. And if it goes down 2,000, I'll buy more. Pick a strategy and dollar cost average into buying some cryptocurrency. And I still like Litecoin. But again, Litecoin got some news today. Charlie Lee, the founder of CoinBase, sold all his coins. So this is a great fact. I own more Litecoin than the founder of Litecoin. That's awesome. But everybody's worrying, wow, the guy that founded it, owned it, doesn't have any stock anymore. It doesn't have anything. It's not stock. It's a coin. It's a currency. He still owns a huge percentage, if not all or most of the company. He didn't sell his ownership in the company. He cashed out, so there would be no more. Every time he tweets the price go up, people are saying that he's manipulating the coin. He wants the coin to survive on its own. And he's very low-key. He's not like the idiots that are running Bitcoin Cash that need to be fired and thrown back in jail. Anyway, back on my footage. So let's talk about BitConnect. This is doing our daily reinvest. If you do a loan and you join the platform and you want to get your daily interest payments, the first thing you'll do, watch some of my older videos, you're going to lend to BitConnect. Based on the amount that you lend, you're going to get interest payments every day. If you do more than 1,000, you're going to get a 0.1% kicker. If you're fortunate to be able to invest more, you're going to get a bigger kicker, and they're going to tie up your capital for fewer days. And one strategy, which we're doing in this series, is you're going to get your daily payments every day into your lending wallet. And we're going to click reinvest every day. And you just click all these amounts. And if you've got more than the rounding error to $10, it's going to say that's how much is left over. You're going to click reinvest, click confirm, click close. You just reinvested today. And now we're going to show you how to put that into your calculator. So here's the calculator. So today is December 20th. The interest payment we got today was very low. We still made enough to get over the $10 in our lending wallet. So all you're going to do is every day go to the base rate column, put in the base rate for that day. It already tells us what it's going to be tomorrow. It's going to be huge tomorrow, 1.5. And then I just put in what time of day that I made the payment and how much I actually made, and that goes there. So that'll start calculating my return on my investment for me. But this, you just put the base rate actual every day, and you can see we're here to today. Actually, today is the 20th. We started with a $1,010 investment. You put that right there. You put in your 1,010 and you put in your base rates. And this is just for your information of how much you put in each day and at what time. It calculates your average pay rate and your average daily payout. And this will eventually be a return on your initial investment. That's how great this is. And that's the actual tab that we're going to manipulate every day. It's going to keep our history so we know how much we invested every day, how much the machine says we're going to reinvest tomorrow. Don't forget the BitConnect tab is your averages. This is where you're going to put in how much you started with right there, principal, and what the average base rate's been the last 6 months. And then you get to choose a strategy, a daily reinvest or an interval reinvest. We're doing the daily reinvest. Watch my way earlier videos from a month ago if you want to learn the other strategy. And if you're new to this, you click on Lend BitConnect, click on this volatility software. It will actually open up the window and it shows you the last 5 days of interest. You can see a couple days ago 1.46. Tomorrow's going to be 1.5. Had some days where Bitcoin went sideways. Today, not sideways. Look at that. And if you look on these projected earnings calculator, the last 6 months we've averaged 0.94 without any kickers. So if you did 1,000, you get a 0.1 kicker on that. Last 30 days has been down. Last 7 days has been down because we had 2 of these below 0.5%. Get those off this board, get some volatility in BitConnect, and we're going to make lots of money.